Nailunsad na namang muli ang taunang palarong pambansa matapos ang 3 taon na pagkakatigil nito dahil sa pandemya. Binabati natin ang Marikina at Cebu at ang kagawaran ng edukasyon sa kanilang matagumpay na pagtatanghal ng mga palarong ito. We will continue to support these health-enhancing sports programs. Through these, we will also set forth our youth on the same well-established path that has taken some of our national champions and renowned athletes to sporting greatness. As we speak, 28 of our finest athletes are competing in Paris now for the glory of the Philippines. Let us wish them well and the best of luck.